हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं अ न्यू चैप्टर फॉर क्लास 6 स्टूडेंट्स which is banks and simple interest. So all of you guys should have heard about what is bank. Okay, so हम बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, अपने मम्मी के घर पे कभी डिस्कशन में मम्मी के मुंह से या डैडी के मुंह से सुना होगा कि हमने बैंक में इतने पैसे रखे या बैंक से हमें इतने पैसे एक्स्ट्रा मिले या हमने बैंक से लोन लिया है। करेक्ट। सो बैंक से बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं, हम बैंक में जाके हमारा अकाउंट ओपन करते हैं। अगर हमारे पास बहुत सारा पैसा घर पे पड़ा है तो घर पे अगर पैसा ऐसे ही रखेंगे तो पैसे तो बढ़ेंगे भी नहीं, प्लस उसमें रिस्क भी है चोरी होने का। राइट। सो हम क्या करते हैं, सेफ्टी पर्पस के लिए हम वो पैसे जाके बैंक को दे देते हैं। करेक्ट, हम हमारे बैंक के अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट कर देते हैं, जिसके अगेंस्ट फॉर विच बैंक हमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पैसा भी रिटर्न देती है। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमने 10,000 रुपीज जाके बैंक में रख दिए फॉर 1 ईयर, 1 साल के लिए, मैंने बैंक को बोला कि ये मेरे पास 10,000 है, ये आप रखो, ये मुझे आप 1 साल के बाद देना। सो बैंक मुझे 10,000 रुपीज नहीं देगी, 10,000 रुपीज प्लस कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पैसे भी देगी उसके ऊपर, विच इज कॉल्ड नथिंग बट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। ओके। So there is one more type of interest which bank pays, so that is compound interest. So that is currently not in your syllabus, so we will not talk much about it. So let us first understand कि simple interest and simple interest होता क्या है. Okay. Okay. So let us take an example जो अभी हमने यहाँ पे देखा. I have 10,000 rupees with myself and this is a bank. So what I did, I deposited this money with bank. I kept this money with bank for 1 year. Okay. And I inform bank, you please pay me this money after 1 year. Okay. So the money which I have deposited with bank, that is called principal amount, not school's principal. Okay. This is called principal value. Okay. Now after 1 year, what happens? Say for example, bank pays me 10,000 rupees plus 1,000 rupees. So in total, how much bank paid me? That is 11,000 rupees. Correct? 10,000 जो हमने deposit किए थे with bank, so which is nothing but principal. This amount is called principal. And बैंक ने हमें total कितना pay किया? 11,000. So 11,000 total, this is called amount, the value including the extra portion which bank pays, and the extra portion that bank pays, which is this 1,000 rupees, this is called the interest amount. Okay, so this is principal amount, this is the extra money that bank paid, which is called interest. Bank paid us some interest, and the total of these two value, principal plus interest, is called amount. So you have to focus on this three important part, which is first is principal, interest and amount. And there are two more important factor over here. First is the rate. Rate is nothing but rate of interest. At what percentage rate did bank paid me interest? It can be in 10%, 11%, 12, 15, anything. It can be anything, but it will always be in terms of percentage. This is rate of interest. Okay. Now next one is the N. N stands for number of period, number of years. So this can be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Like for example, in this case, this 1 year was our period. Okay, the duration for which we have kept the money with bank. Okay, now in your syllabus, the method which is used to calculate to solve the sum is a bit different, and we are going to follow the same method which is there in your syllabus. But just in case if you are curious and want to know what is the mathematical formula to calculate simple interest, so the formula is principal multiplied by number of period into rate of interest upon 100. So this is the mathematical formula to calculate interest, and the formula for amount is principal plus interest. I hope you can make note of these two formulas in your textbook or somewhere in your book. It can be helpful to you, but we are not going to use this formula for now. We are going to use the method that is there in your syllabus. Okay, so let us move to sums that is there in your textbook. So over here we do not have anything. Over here they have given the definition of bank. You can have a look. Okay, so we have only one exercise in this chapter and only four sums. So what we are going to do today, we are only going to cover the first question, and the rest three question we will cover up in the next video lecture. Okay, so let us start with the first sum. So at a rate of 10% per annum, so this is nothing but rate. So what is given in the first question is sorry, so the rate is 10 PCPA. So let me also tell you the full form of this, what this PCPA stands for. PC is nothing but percentage, and this is PA stands for per annum. Annum is nothing but year. Per means 1. So this percentage is for 1 year. Okay. So PCPA stands for percent per annum. Okay. What would be the interest for 1 year on 6,000? So at 10% PCPA, what would be the interest? कितना interest होगा for 1 year? So हमें period भी पता चल गया, which is 1 year, right? On 6,000. So हमें interest calculate करना है 6,000 पे, right? On 6,000 बोला गया है ना, on 6,000. So interest calculate करना है हमें इस पे, but interest calculate किस पे होता है? जितना हम deposit करेंगे उसी पे calculate होगा ना, उससे ज़्यादा amount पे तो नहीं होगा. So basically जो principal हम deposit करेंगे उसी पे हमारा interest calculate होता है. So this 6,000 is principal amount and this is period. Okay, and this is percentage. Now what does 10% means? Okay, so let us understand. 10% means 10% per annum means, for example, if you deposit 100 rupees with the bank for 1 year per annum. Okay, if you deposit 100 rupees, which is principal, if you keep 100 rupees for 1 year, so your interest will be 10%. 10% means 10 rupees, so your interest will be 10 rupees. ओके, अगर आपने बैंक में 100 रुपीज डिपॉजिट किए हैं फॉर 1 ईयर एट 10% पर एनम, सो आपका इंटरेस्ट आपको मिलेगा 10 रुपीज, एक्स्ट्रा 10 रुपीज, तो आपको टोटल मिलेंगे 110 रुपीज. सो इसी सम में वही पूछा गया है, अगर आपने 6,000 डिपॉजिट किया तो आपको कितने पैसे मिलेंगे. तो 6,000 डिपॉजिट किया तो आपको इंटरेस्ट कितना मिलेगा वही आपको फाइंड करना है. दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड. सो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम you need to make two you need to make a table with two column. Okay, simple. You need to write, अगर मेरा principal is 100, I will earn 10 rupees interest because my rate of interest is 10%. So this 10 will come over here. Now you need to add one more column and write what the question is expecting you to do. The question is expecting me to find out the interest amount on 6,000 rupees, and 6,000 is my principal amount. So that 6,000 you need to put it under principal amount, and this you need to find out. You simply need to do the cross cancellation. So what you need to do is, this is 100 into x is equal to 10 into 6,000, correct? Now what you need to do, you need to keep x as it is on the left hand side. On the right hand side you have 10 into 6,000, and this 100 is multiplication on the left hand side of the equation. Now when you send it to the right hand side, it will become opposite, it will become division. मल्टीप्लिकेशन का डिवीजन हो जाएगा, डिवीजन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन का सब्ट्रैक्शन, सब्ट्रैक्शन का एडिशन. Okay, now what you can do is, now you can do the cancellation. This 2 0 get cancelled, this 2 0 get cancelled. Now what you have is 10 into 60, and 10 into 60 is 600. So on 6,000 rupees you will earn an interest of 600 rupees. Okay, I hope you students have understood. If not, please go through it again, and if you still have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to cover it up in the next video lecture. Okay, so जल्दी मिलते हैं. Till then, take care.